Okay, so I was walking around this hotel and I found a lot of air conditioners. So here's one, but I'm gonna film the central air conditioners. This is only one part of it. Here's a York packaged unit with 2 fans, and this thing, it was running when I saw it, but then it turned off. I'm gonna see. I think it might turn on soon. Oh, it just turned on. Perfect. That's what I was hoping for. So now it's running. So it's running right there. And here's an Emmy ductless split that's also running. That was the sound that you were able to hear before. Here's another Emmy ductless split. It's not running, but wait a minute, its compressor is running, but the fan isn't. I don't know why. So there are those air conditioners right there. This package here. And there are more in the back. So there they are again. And here's a really big generator, and there are some more air conditioners up there, like York air conditioners. So here are 3 York central air conditioners. And one of them is running. It's this one right here. And here's another Emmy ductless split, and it's a really big one. And I want to see. These must be all heat pumps. Oh, one of them just turned on. Oh, that was this one. The Emmy just turned on. And so these 2 are running. Then there are these 2. And now there's also one part of this building that has a lot of central air conditioners. Oh, do you hear that noise? It sounds like a really big fan or something, but it's some kind of chiller or something. Over there, that thing. I don't really know what this is. It's like some kind of chiller, but it's really loud. Oh, it's a cooler or something, I don't know. Oh, here are a lot more central air conditioners. Oh, this one is running. Can't really hear it though, because there's this thing. It's like a chiller or something, kind of loud. Here's another Emmy air conditioner. Oh, and this one just turned off. none of these other York Central air conditioners are running either. But this is like some kind of weird chiller thing. Here's another Emmy air conditioner, and this one is also running. So there are also these air conditioners over here. And finally, there's another York package unit right here. It's also running, but it's kind of noisy. But it's kind of weird, like the fans are really slow. Let's see. Condensing unit. What is that thing for? That thing is really loud over there. Oh, this thing is noisy. Okay, so those were the air conditioners at this hotel. Hope you enjoyed the video.